Hi Cookie Cronies. This morning I made a vegetable soup with some cannellini beans. So you can see how beautiful it is. I started off with frozen vegetables just because I had them in my freezer and the stuff was already in my pantry. So I started off with the frozen blend of carrots, onions, and celery. And I put them in a medium size pot. Then I added some soup mix that included okra and carrots and onion and corn. Oh gosh, it was just, it also had potatoes and just a beautiful variety. These were Kroger brand frozen vegetables. So I added those to my pot with a box of beef broth. Let that come to a simmer. Meanwhile, I was boiling some water just in case I needed extra liquid for my soup. I also added about 2 tablespoons of concentrate tomato paste and mixed all of that together. I chopped up a head of cabbage to add to my soup mix and put in a couple of bay leaves, and just for some extra protein I added a can of drained cannellini beans. So that's simmering, smells delicious. I hope you give it a try and let us know. Keep the Cooking Cronies in mind when you're looking for recipes. Have a great day. God bless.